Tubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Myntri katanat puli puthi jong ka jilla uba ala kemen rumbui ula pelai pai ba ya National Initiative for School Heads and Teachers for Holistic Advancement ne ka Nishtha 2.0 kabalong ka way ni ki program kaban ai Jinghikai ki Nonghikai ha ki school secondary but higher secondary ha ka jilla la pelai ya kani ha ka jingilang kabalalong ha conference hall jong ka Directorate of Education Research and Training Shillong. Habakren hagani ka jingilang uba rumboy ulo kentu yiki Nonghikai bakidai ban yeshim benta hagani ka online training program kaban penmentoy yiki hakipor ki bansawan ki wei ki bele donlang hagani ka jingilang ki kentup ya Secretary Education Department ACH Marak Deputy Director DERT uba PB Lartang bat ki wei pan.
Teachers have to continuously update themselves. So through this program, I urge each one of our teachers' fraternity to take this responsibility, to take part in this program, which we expect that every teachers and every head teachers, they should participate at least 50 hours of training through this online mode. But David has already mentioned the different courses which this Nishtha 2, which the teachers will have to take for their own development. So, once again, I request that each one of the teachers should take this opportunity. DSEO plays a very important role to constantly monitor how many teachers in different schools have taken part. Principal of the different secondary and higher secondary institutions plays a very important role. That how many teachers are taking part and how many teachers have completed the course. And not only that, by taking part, if there is anything which we need to do more, the state core group, the state resource group, they also, you can give feedback to them so that they will try to improve. The DERT with the NCRT, they will work together how to improve more, taking into consideration the local situation here in our state, taking into consideration the difficulties which the different part of the state they are facing. So this is a very important. So headmaster, principal, DSEO plays a very, very important role so that the teachers benefit, and if teachers benefit, I'm sure the student will benefit more, and moreover, the future generation also.